How to fix issue of location guard Chrome extension not available. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that if you wish to add to Chrome location guard and it says that this extension is no longer available, so I'll show you exactly how you can make it available and then add to Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna come to the search over here and then you're gonna search for registry editor. That will be the system application. So simply click on it and then you're going to click on yes. And after that, you'll be able to see that here it is computer written over here. So you can simply minimize it and double click on this. And here you're going to paste the path that I have provided in the description below and then press enter. So once you do so, you'll be able to see the updated computer. So what you're going to do is over here, you're going to scroll down, search for policies, and here you'll be able to see a folder that says Google. But if you're not able to find folder of Google, you can simply create one by right click on this, click on new, and then you're going to click on key and here type in Google. And within Google, what you need to do is create another key of Chrome. So right click on it, click on new, click on key, and then you gotta write down Chrome. Once Chrome has been created, what you're gonna do is right click on Chrome, click on new, and then over here you're gonna click on this 32-bit value, and then you're gonna paste or write down extension manifest v2 availability, and then press enter. So once you do so, you're going to double click on it and change the value data to 2 and then click on OK. Now, once you've done these changes, you can just reload your location guard on Chrome and then you can simply add to Chrome. It will take a few minutes in order to update everything and then you're done. So that is basically how you can fix the issue of location guard not able to add to Chrome. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.